everyone. I welcome you all to today's session of HIT series, that is High Impact Topic Series session. In today's session, I'm going to talk to you about IMD alerts, that is Indian Meteorological Department's alerts. In this particular topic, since we are going to cover IMD and related alerts, it will fall under your geography as well as environment section as per the UPSC CSE syllabus. So I shall be covering this topic for you in the following sequence. First of all, why it is in news, then the key highlights, followed by the prelims and means based practice questions. See, of course it is in news, that's why I have taken up it in the HIT series. But what I'm going to go around and go about this particular topic is the alerts, and we'll gather some information about the Indian Meteorological Department itself. So before I move any further with my discussion, let's talk about a very crucial announcement, that is Polity and Ethics Foundation course 2023, wherein both online and offline batches are available and you guys can take admissions. This course began day before yesterday itself and is ongoing, but you can always take admissions in it and improve your UPSC CSE preparation. You can contact us on the given numbers so that you can inquire about the courses and the admission. You can also visit Old Rajinder Nagar, that is our office. And on 25th of September, public administration optional course is going to begin. So the coming 25th, that is 25th of September, public administration course is going to begin. That is also going to be taken by Nitin Shivhari sir himself, who is the founder and director of Analyst IAS. You can also book your seats for that particular course. Now let's talk about why it is in news. The IMD, why it is in news. Why are we talking about the IMD alerts? Why this topic I have taken up? Because it's been in news. So the Indian Meteorological Department has issued a yellow alert of rain in Uttarakhand for next 4 days. Now, this is the news that, okay, yellow alert is there. What is yellow alert all about, right? What is it all about? What all are other alerts? If it's a yellow alert, there must be alerts of some other colors, based on some other colors as well. So let's talk about the color coded warning by Indian Meteorological Department. So it is issued by IMD, color coded warnings, whose objective is to alert people ahead of severe or hazardous weather which has the potential to cause the damage, widespread disruption, or danger to life. These warnings are updated on a daily basis. So alerts are issued, different sorts of alerts are issued on daily basis, and the IMD to issue such alert uses 4 color codes. So first one is green, that marks that all is well and normal life at its normal pace can go on, and there is no advisory issued with related to green color code. Yellow color code is about being aware. So yellow indicates severely bad weather spanning across several days. It also suggests that the weather could change for the worse, right? It can get even worse, causing disruption in day-to-day activities. So normal daily life activities may get hampered. This is the significance of color yellow warning. And what has been issued for Uttarakhand for next 4 days? It's the yellow color code warning, right? Then comes in the orange or amber, that is supposed to tell you that be prepared. So the orange alert is issued as a warning of extremely bad weather with the potential of disruption in the commute with road and rail closures. So transportation could get hampered, right? And interruption of power supply is also possible. So in this case, thereafter comes the yellow alert, that action needs to be taken. Take action. For example, if there is going to be a tornado that's going to hit us, right? A cyclone is going to hit us. So at that time hit us as in on the coast, on the coastal states. So West Bengal, Odisha, over there a red alert could be issued by the IMD, and it basically means that people have to be evacuated to a safe place. So take actions like evacuating people, preparing for relief, and so on. So when the extremely bad weather conditions are certainly going to disrupt travel and power and have significant risk to life, this red alert would be issued. Now, this was as far as our explanation is concerned, right? Let's see how IMD actually puts it out. So, this is the green color. The topmost is the green color and says no severe weather expected. Then it also asks you to keep up to date with the latest forecast, because what if it changes, right? So then comes in the yellow one. Now it means be aware, remain alert, and keep up to date with the latest forecast. Then comes in the orange one, be prepared, remain vigilant, keep up to date with the latest forecast, and take precautions where possible. Then red one, take action, remain extra vigilant, keep up to date with the latest forecast, follow orders and any advice given by the authorities, and be prepared for extraordinary measures. Now, these are the warnings that are exactly issued in this manner by the Indian Meteorological Department. Now, see, these alerts are universal. It's not like for Bengal, there's going to be different color code. For Odisha, there's going to be a different color code. No. These are the color codes, universal in nature, and also used during floods depending on the amount of water rising above land. Means it's be it flood, be it drought, for any kind of weather condition, be it cyclone hitting you or be it heavy rain. In all these conditions, these universal codes will be used as an alert warning. So it could be anything. So for instance, when the water in river is above normal level or between the warning and danger level, a yellow alert is generally issued. Now, as I've told you that this was all the information about the alerts, right? I have also told you that I'm going to talk to you about IMD. We shall be collecting some information regarding the IMD itself. So this is what it is. IMD was established in 1875 and it is an agency of the Ministry of Earth Sciences of the Government of India. So under which ministry IMD works? It works under the Ministry of Earth Sciences. It is the principal agency responsible for meteorological observation, weather forecasting, and seismology in India. Now, what all are the mandates of IMD? So, first of all, taking meteorological observation and providing current information and forecasting information for the most favorable operation of weather dependent activities such as irrigation, agriculture, aviation, shipping, offshore oil exploration, and so on. So IMD issues different kinds of advisories and warnings for all these activities specifically. So for fishermen, it can issue a warning that fishermen should not go to deep sea today because the weather is not favorable, right? This kind of warning IMD is supposed to issue. Government is running various schemes wherein to farmers, to fishermen, SMS is delivered of IMD warnings specific for them. So giving warnings against severe weather phenomena such as tropical cyclone, dust storm, heat waves, cold waves, heavy rains, heavy snow, etc. That is also IMD's responsibility, IMD's mandate. Then providing Met-related statistics, that is meteorological statistics needed for agriculture, industries, water resource management, oil exploration, and any other strategically important activities of the country. So to understand the weather in general of a country, how it's been, how it could be, and then plan accordingly the further developments, right? From where we are going to collect all that information, IMD is supposed to provide us with the same assessments. So engaging in research in meteorology and allied subjects, detection and location of earthquakes and evaluation of seismicity, in various parts of country for developmental projects. That is also IMD's responsibility. Now, this is it for today's discussion. As far as today's discussion is concerned, this was the information I was seeking to share with you all, and this is enough from your UPSC CSE's perspective as far as this news is concerned. Now, let's talk about the yesterday's prelims practice question that we had in our HIT series. So, with reference to Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana, consider the following statement. This was your question. Number 1, it covers both natural and accidental death risk of 2 lakh. So, this statement is correct. Basically, if you would have paid attention to yesterday's video, those who have not watched it can always go back and watch it. So, I discussed over there that Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana covers death due to any circumstance, and when it comes to any circumstance, it's both natural and accidental death, and the amount is yes rupees 2 lakh. So this is going to be correct statement. Then the premium will be rupees 330 per annum per year, annually, whatever it's written, it's absolutely correct. The amount is also correct. Then the person in the age group of 18 to 60 years can apply for this scheme. No, this statement is incorrect. It's not 18 to 60 years, it's 18 to 50 years. 18 to 50 years of age, people can avail this particular scheme. So the correct answer we have to identify. So wherever there is 3, it has to be eliminated. Both 1 and 2 are correct. So your answer remains B for this particular question. Now let's look at the prelims practice question for today. Consider the following statements about Indian Meteorological Department, that is IMD. Number 1, at present, it is under the administrative control of Ministry of Earth Sciences. Number 2, it has the responsibility for forecasting, naming and distribution of warnings for tropical cyclones in the northern Indian Ocean region. You have to pick up the correct statements from the combinations given below. A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, both 1 and 2, D, neither 1 nor 2. So you will be answering in the comment box, and I shall be sharing with you, discussing with you the answer for this particular question tomorrow in tomorrow's HIT series session. The main practice question for today is, why is the weather forecasting important? Discuss Indian Meteorological Department and Indian satellites involved in weather forecasting. You will be answering this particular question in 250 words. 250 words, and send in your answers on WhatsApp to get them reviewed. This is it for today. I shall see you again tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay tuned. Thank you so much for joining in.